Welcome to Kiranmai Tech Chronicles. I am Kiranmai and today's video is about advanced technology, that is AI tools. In this video, we will be learning about AI tools which are very useful for a day-to-day life. We are going to learn about four topics, that is content generation, image generation, document analysis and data analysis. Now let's go to the first topic, content generation. Content generation engages audience, craft compelling narratives that captivate readers and drive results, optimize for SEO, leverage search engine optimization techniques to boost visibility and traffic, adapt to diverse formats, seamlessly transition between blog posts, website copy, and marketing materials. This is about content writing. Our second topic is about image generation. Image generation is about visual storytelling, graphic design expertise, and versatile toolbox. Create visual storytelling tells us about enhances the complement with your written content, painting a vivid picture in the reader's mind. Graphic design expertise leverage your design skills to produce an eye-catching social media graphics. Versatile toolbox utilize range of digital tools and platforms to bring your creative version to life. And now it is going about document analysis and data analysis. Document analysis or data review. Identify insights and visualize findings. Deliver actionable recommendations. Uncover valuable insights hidden with data and documents to inform strategic decision making. Transform complex information into easy understanding graphs, charts, and reports. Provide clear data-driven recommendations to help clients to achieve their goals. I'm going to show you some examples using ChatGPT for this video regarding content generation, image generation, document analysis or data analysis. Now let's go to ChatGPT and give a prompt of anything you want. I would like to give a prompt regarding about asking ChatGPT give us 10 YouTube channels for using technology. Now give a prompt. I got a detailed plan regarding how to make it, how to really do a good job in creating YouTube channels. And next, you can create image generation. ChatGPT helps us to know the process and also to implement and how to implement the use of the and how to use everything will be given in ChatGPT. It gives a very good information about the slow learners or for the beginners. And for the image generation, go for Microsoft AI website and give a prompt in this description of what a picture you would like to have. I gave a prompt and now let's generate and get a picture. And let's wait for the picture. I got a 4 beautiful blue pictures which I wanted and I got the pictures. And this is with the help of this Microsoft AI, we can generate pictures using AI tools. And now I'm going to give you an super tool that is known as Gamma AI. It is used for giving presentations and this is out of the box. Go for a Gamma AI in the video and log in with your Google account and we will be going into this. I have actually created a number of PDFs or PPTs. Now go for generate and type generate PPT for Indian spices. If I want about 3 slides is enough for me and generate outline. and wait for the presentation. And now see, you will be having the introduction, commonly used benefits and uses. And that is enough. If you want to add anything, you can, or if you want to edit, you can. Now click on continue and wait for the other one. And the other step will be selecting a theme. Select a theme according to your choice. Like there are so many things you want it. I would go with something and generate and wait for the PPT to be done in just 2 seconds or 2 minutes. And this is how our PPT is done in 2 minutes. I have selected only 3 slides and I got the 3 with the most beautiful thing. It is done in 2 minutes. You can actually export it with the help of your Google or email, or you can download it in a very simple way. With this, we came to an end of this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and comment. Actually, I am a student of 12th grade. I am doing a scholarship of technology. So this is my project and I hope you all like it and it will be useful to all of you. Thank you.